How to enable or disable DOF adapter correction in camera on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, in here, tap on the quick controls button. Then from the toolbar here, tap on the settings icon. Then in camera settings, we scroll down and then tap on camera assistant. After that, scroll down and then tap on DOF adapter correction. Tap on the toggle button to switch on DOF adapter correction or to switch it off. Here's when you turn this on, the camera automatically corrects images flipped by external depth of field adapters. Now this correction is only applied to Pro and Pro Video modes. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to the camera, or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.